Okay guys, so today I'm going to explain you the difference between canvas and SVG tag, and I'm also going to explain you how these tags work. So the canvas tag is to create canvases, and like you're watching their canvases on other pages on which we can draw and do drawing. So when you open whiteboard, so there is a canvas, and on that canvas you are doing your drawing. And now I have created a canvas over here which I have certain ID and width and height and style, and it's a canvas sending tag. After that I've selected my canvas, my ID, my canvas, and I've set the context to 2D. And after that I have write a rectangle code, and after that I have written the circle code. And now, if you watch the SVG, it's too easy. You're watching that for canvas, you have to write this much code, and for SVD, you have to just write till this code. So it's too short. And here just I have created the SVG tag in which I have sent some things. After that, I just set the rectangle tag, which is creating the rectangle, and I set the full equals full. I can choose any. Can also choose black. No, what I'm doing. But let me choose. And after that, I've also set a green over here. And after that, I've set stroke and stroke width over here. And the extra thing and also R over here. And CX like circle x-axis, circle center, y-axis from the center. And now, if I open output, wasn't it working? Oh, I refuse to connect. Let me look. Okay, so you're watching. I have a H1 over here. After that, there's H2 heading, and after that, I have created the canvas. And inside it, I have write the JavaScript code to create this object. And over here, I have an object SVG drawing. And inside it, I have created this tool. And you're watching. I change it to green, so that's why green. And I can also show you everything by this tab by inspecting open console. So let me do a thing. What can I do? So it's a JavaScript code. There's a variable which would be, okay, let me open. So now you know that I've created canvas. I can change it to let, or okay, let me just leave it canvas. Now if I open this, I can write canvas, enter. So watching my canvas is over here. And after that, I can console dot console dot dir, and inside it, brackets, I can write tiny object which will be canvas 101. After that, I will close. So here, watching all the canvas detail has been counted, and all you can check out on your page. And I will now the last thing is to explain you the image tag for today. So let me remove all this code and just create a simple hook. And inside there, let me write just img tag, and over here I will write src, which would be set to, oh, it should be this a.png. And this is an image, simple image, and I will close it. And after that, I will open the output. And you watching, I've just taken the screenshot, and here it's all the screenshot. And you're watching, it's all the data which I've taken the screenshot. And this is all for today. So keep learning and keep practicing. Bye!